Hey guys, this is Thomas from the What Thomas Says YouTube channel. Today I wanted to talk about a park that's in my area named Avalon State Park. I'm a pretty avid beach goer, so I have seen this park from the street and never went to it, so I just wanted to do a review on it. I recorded my drone footage from my newly acquired drone. I have a DJI Tello and I was flying it with my iPad. This view is from what it looks like when you first pull in. There's a sign that says you have to pay $2 to park. So you basically park your car there and then you can walk right out to the beach. Once you make it out to the sand from the parking lot, you see how beautiful and serene this particular beach is. I've been to all different types of beaches where it's a lot of people that come out there, it's geared to tourism, or there's a lot of restaurants or any kind of businesses out there, and this one is just like a beach that's not touched and you can tell it's protected since it's a state park. You can see all the sand dunes out in the background, and you can see that it's just not a lot of people out there, and it's just a nice beach that you can actually go to and not deal with a lot of traffic and crowds. I didn't get a chance to snorkel. I usually will snorkel in the warmer parts of the year, closer to summer, but this is a beautiful place to come out and just collect your thoughts and meditate. It seems like there's about 60 or so parking spaces out there, so it doesn't attract too much traffic, which is what a lot of people want when they come to the beach as well. This particular day when I was shooting, the waves weren't too rough and they also weren't flat, so it was a pretty good day to come out there and take a walk your dog, just relax out there and have a really nice time and just enjoy paradise here in Florida. I was playing with the angles and a lot of the shots here with my new drone. I'm really enjoying it, and this is the first time I got to fly it at the beach, so I was trying to do a lot of different things with it. I was toggling between different altitudes while shooting these couple videos, and also I must say, if you're thinking about buying a drone, definitely invest in buying multiple batteries. Having a dead battery pretty much kills all your plans and you're losing time of getting precious video recorded. This last video just shows the distance from the parking lot to the sand. It's roughly about 100 yards. So it's not a long walk whatsoever to this beach. If you're ever in the Treasure Coast area like Vero or Fort Pierce, I would definitely recommend it if you actually want into beach stuff. I don't know how good the snorkeling is. I hope to plan to find out one day, and I'll do some videos and talk about that as well. Thank you guys for watching.